Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to add money to Venmo from your bank account. To get started, open the Venmo app on your phone. Make sure you've already linked a payment method, such as a bank account or debit card. If you've done that, go back to the main page of the app by tapping the back button a couple of times until you see the Venmo homepage. On the homepage, look for the Venmo balance section. Your balance might currently be zero, or it could show a different amount. Tap on the Manage button under the Venmo balance section. This will bring up a menu with various options. From these, tap on Add Money. Once you tap on Add Money, you'll see some options for how much you can add and how quickly the funds can be transferred. Venmo allows you to instantly add up to $500 per week, but if you choose a larger amount, it may take 3 to 5 business days to process. For this example, let's choose the Instant option. You'll notice some predetermined amounts displayed, such as $10, $20, or $50. However, you can also input a custom amount if you prefer. For example, you could type in $2.50 if you want to. After entering the amount, tap Next. Venmo will then ask you to confirm the bank account you want to use to fund your balance. The account you already have linked will appear by default, but if you want to change it, you can tap on the account name and select a different one from your list of linked accounts. After confirming your bank account, tap Add Now. Venmo will immediately update your balance. For instance, if you added $2.50 and your balance was $8, your new balance will show $10.50. Keep in mind that while the transfer appears instant in your Venmo balance, it might take a few days for the money to actually be deducted from your bank account. Always make sure that the funds are available in your bank account to avoid any issues. That's it. That's how you can solve the how to add money to Venmo from your bank account problem. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.